Hi students, what is our next topic? Seventh one, whole chapter in one example. In every chapter I am taking whole chapter in one example. I have completed polynomials and pair of linear equations in two variables. In those chapters also I have taken whole chapter in one example. If you don't have time during examination, if you see this video, you can understand the whole chapter. What is the problem given? Given quadratic equation, what is it? X square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Find roots of quadratic equation by factorization method, means splitting method, using formula, completing the square method. You see, factorization already you know, but again I am telling that one. Using formula, we found the formula to find out the values of x, means roots. Using formula, what is the formula you have? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Using this formula, we can find out the roots of the quadratic equation, that is alpha and beta, by factorization. What is the given quadratic equation? X square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. We have to factorize it. By splitting method we have to do. What is, if you multiply extremes, minus 5x square. 5, what are the factors of 5? 5 into 1. It can be written as x square plus 5x minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. I split 4x like as 5x minus x, because here plus is there, bigger number, you have to put plus sign before 5x. Now you take these two and these two, implies x you take common. What is the common here? X plus 5 minus 1, you don't have anything common to take, you have to take 1 minus 1 common. X plus 5 is equal to 0. Next, what is the common here? X plus 5. X plus 5 into, what is the remaining one? X. What is the remaining here? Minus 1 is equal to 0. As you got two linear factors, so you have to find the value of x. You take x plus 5. X plus 5 is equal to 0. You will get x is equal to minus 5. That it is denoted by alpha. Or x1. X minus 1. What is another root? X minus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 you got. It is beta. You can name it as alpha or beta, no problem. What is the value of x? It will have two roots, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 5. And you can denote it by x1 or x2, alpha and beta. Now, using formula, we will find out the roots of the quadratic equation. We have already found out the roots of the quadratic equation by a derivation. Now, you see, what is, first you write, I wrote it as, what is the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is a here? A is 1. What is b here? B equal to 4. What is c here? C is equal to minus 5. You have to take minus 5. Some students will take 5. If you take 5, the answer will be wrong. See, what is minus? What is b here? 4 plus or minus root of, what is b square? 4 whole square minus 4 into, what is a? What is a? 1. What is c? Minus 5. You write in brackets, is equal to minus by, you see, minus 4 into 1 into, you have to write c as minus 5 by 2 into, what is a here? 1 is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of 4 square means 16. 16 minus 4, minus into minus plus, 4 5s are 20 by 2 into 1, is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 36 by 2. This is the value of x. You will have x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 36 means plus or minus 6 by 2. This value of x. It will have two values, that is x1, that is nothing but alpha. Say minus 4 plus 6, minus 4 plus 6 by 2. And what is another root? Minus 4 minus 6 by 2. This is x2 or beta. See, alpha x1 is equal to minus 4 plus 6, 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. And you will get another, what is another root? Minus 10 by 2. Minus 10 by 2 means minus 5. This is x2. The value of x2 is minus 5. x1 is 1. You see, alpha beta is x1 is minus 5. Here you got 1. No problem. Anyway, you got the same roots, minus 5 and 1. Here 1 and minus 5. Both are roots are same. Yes, our answer is true. Sometimes you don't have time to do factorization. You have to use the formula and you have to write A, B, C and substitute the values. You will get the roots. Like this you have to do. Next you will go to completing the square method. Next, completing the square method. Algebraically I will explain you and graphically I will explain you so that you can understand very easily. See what is given? Given x square, given quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. I will take x square plus 4x, that side is equal to 5. Next, I will show it by graphically. What is here? X square means you take a square. This is x and this is also x. What is the area of this square? X into x, side into side, x square. I have taken x square. Then I will take plus 4x. This is 4 I will take, and this already x, the distance is x, this is x. I have taken this as 4 into x. This will be 4x. What is the area of this rectangle? 4 into x, 4x. This is x, you know, is equal to 5. I will take 5. I will take 5 units to 5. This is 5. It is denoted. I am taking that as 5. Now, what I do? It can be written as x square 2x plus in 2x into 2. It can be written as 2x or 2x into 2, 4x, or you take 2x plus 2x. I am taking 4x as 2x plus 2x is equal to 5 you take. Similarly, I am in graph. How can you? X square you take as it is. You divide this 4x into 2x plus 2x. See, I am taking this one. Same I am taking. This can be written as 2x plus 2x. Means I will take here. This is 2 and this is x and this is also x. 2x. Here I will take 2x. This is 2x. This is 2x. 2x. This is also 2x. This will be, what is the area of this square? X square. I converted this x square plus 4x like x square plus 2x plus 2x. We have to complete this square, that is the problem, is equal to 5. I will take as it is. 5 as it is I will take. You take this one. Next, say you know x square. This you know x square. I will write again. Sorry. This can be written as x square plus 2. 4x can be written as 2. What is a here? You take this is x whole square. 2 into a into b. By which number you have to multiply to get 4x? I have to multiply with 2. S is equal to 5. Same as it is, don't change it. Now we have to make it a perfect square. We have to make this a perfect square. It is, you see, we have to make it a perfect square. What is the length? This one, this length will be 2. And what is this length? That will be also 2. That's why x whole square plus 2ab. By which number? We have to add, you know already, we have to add, this is a and this is b. We have to add 2 square both sides to make it a perfect square. You see, x whole square plus 2 into a into b plus we have to add b square. 2 square we have to add. Similarly, if you add 2 square here, you have to add 2 square that side, right? RHS 5 plus 2 square. Now this can be written as x square, x a square plus 2ab plus b square can be written as x plus 2 whole square, a plus b whole square is equal to 5 plus 4, 9. This can be drawn like this. This is x square, 2x and 2x. This is 2x and this is also 2x. We have to add 2 square both sides, means this is, you know, this is 2 and this is also 2. You am adding 2 square, this the area will be 2 square because I have added 2 square here also, here, and also I have to add 2 square on RHS also. What is RHS? This is 5, means it will be like this. 5, see, 5 plus 4, 9. It will be, this is 9 because this is 3 square. It can be written as 3 square. See, the length will be, this is 3 and this is also will be 3. See, you see, x plus 2 whole square is equal to 9. X, this is, see, this is, you observe, this length will be x plus 2 and this length will be x plus 2. This is 2 and this is x plus 2. You got here x plus 2 whole square. It is a perfect square. X plus 2 into x plus 2, x plus 2 whole square. It is also a perfect square is equal to, it can be written as 3 square. Now what I do next? We will, x plus 2 whole square is equal to 9. You will have x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus root 9, means you will get, I will do here, x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus root 9 means plus or minus 3. You will have x is equal to plus 3 minus 2, 1, x1 you got, that is alpha is equal to 3 minus 2. What is the value of? You will get 3 minus 2 means alpha is equal to 1. Next, another value, x plus 2. is equal to minus 3, x2 is equal to minus 5, that is beta. Like this you have to do, and you got the perfect square, that is equal to 9. You can find the values of, from this one you can find the values of x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to minus 5. You will get like this. You have to do the completing the square. Hey students, we will check whether our answer is true or false. Take x is equal to 1, because we should not take x is equal to minus 5, distance will not be negative. Take x is equal to 1, see x plus 2, the side of the square is x plus 2, and you substitute the value of x is equal to 1 in place of x, 1 plus 2 whole square, you will get 3 square means 9. In RHS also you see the square, that is side of the square is 3, area of the square is 3 square is equal to 9. Area of this LHS square is 9, and also if you take area of the RHS square, that is also 9, as our answer is true. X plus 2 whole square is equal to 3 square. You will get the value of x is equal to 1, and you should not take x is equal to minus 5, because area will not be negative. Sum of roots and product of roots. What is the formula you have? Sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus, what is b here? B is 4, and what is a here? 1. Sum of roots is minus 4. What is the sum of roots? Minus 4. You have checked, verified. See, we have alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to minus 5. You add them. We have already done. Alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to minus 5. You find the sum of roots, means alpha plus beta is equal to 1 plus minus 5. You will get 1 minus 5. You will get minus 4. You can verify also. What is the product of the roots? Product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to c by a. What is c here? C is minus 5 by a is 1. You got product of the roots minus 5. Check, verify whether our answer is true or false. See, what is alpha here? 1. What is beta? Minus 5. Alpha into beta is equal to 1 into minus 5. You will get minus 5, as our answer is true. Product of roots, we verified alpha into beta. We know the alpha and beta. If the product of 1 and minus 5 is minus 5. Okay, we got the same answer. Next, nature of roots. Nature of roots depends on discriminant. Say, what is the discriminant? Discriminant, it is denoted by D, is equal to b square minus 4ac. Already we know a is 1, b is 4, and c is minus 5. Substitute the values of a, b, c in this discriminant so that you can find out the nature of roots. Already you know what is b square minus 4ac? Greater than 0. Then roots are real and unequal. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. See, real and unequal. Real and equal. And always you have to write this b square minus 4ac greater than 0, real and unequal. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, they are imaginary numbers. Now you find b square minus 4ac. What is b here? 4 whole square minus 4 into what is a? 1. What is c? Minus 5. Now 4 square means 16, minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20. You got 36. 36 is greater than 0. It's a positive value. 36 is positive. Means if b square minus 4 is greater than 0, the roots are real and equal. As we can check, roots are real numbers and unequal to each other. As we know, roots are 1, alpha is 1 and beta is minus 5. They are real numbers and unequal to each other. They are not equal to each other. Like this we have to do. Next, we have to draw the graph and we have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Like this, we have many methods to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. It is in higher classes, it is directly or indirectly helps you to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. Hi students, fourth one is graph of x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. First you have to prepare solution set. You take x is equal to 0, you are getting y is equal to minus 5, and if you substitute 0 in place of y, you are getting two values 1 and minus 5. On right side, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. It is having two linear factors, x minus 1 and x plus 5, that is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5. See, if you substitute y is equal to 0, you will have two roots, that is 1 and minus 5. You prepare solution set, or means ordered pairs, 0 minus 5, 1 0 and minus 5 0. Using these ordered pairs, draw the graph. It is passing through 1 0, 0 minus 5 and minus 5 0. Parabola intersecting x-axis at 1 0 and minus 5 0. Therefore, roots of quadratic equation are 1 and minus 5. Like this you have to do.